So for starting your turbine engine, you're going to have the electric starter, which uses your battery, and there's the shaft that goes into the accessory section and drives everything. But you can also use bleed air, either off the APU or I believe even off the other engine. And that's an air starter, which is literally just an air turbine. It's like part of a turbocharger inside of there. The bleed air pipe comes in, you get this valve here, and there's even a way right here you could manually open it if you had to get it started. If, let's say, everything else in the airplane was messed up, you can stick a 1/4-inch drive inside the middle of that cone. That's why that cone is there. And there's a panel you can take open and stick your extension in there and open it up to start the engine. It's kind of a pain, but it is. But anyways, there's oil inside of these, and we have to do an oil change on it. So this right here is your chip detector, which of course doesn't want to come open right now. But anyways, it is designed so that it's like a bayonet type of fitting. And man, I got this out earlier and now it won't come. But anyways, it has a little poppet valve, there we go, that actually will close, and that is a magnet on the end, and you'd want to look at that and just make sure you don't have any big flakes or a whole bunch of fuzz or something like that. That's one of the regular inspections you do on these. And when it works, there you go, and it uses a 1/4 turn type of method to hold it in. But we're going to take this off, we're going to drain the oil out, and then there's 2 of these fill plugs, one on either side. After we put this back in, we're going to use the one on the other side because this one, there's something in the way. And we're going to fill oil until it dribbles over the edge of the neck, and that's how we know it's filled, and then we'll shut it. There we go. Probably about a quart of oil, maybe a little bit more. Coming out. Looks nice and clean, but they have some sort of a time change interval, so we're doing it. You can actually see what's going on inside that quick drain. That silver part at the top, that's the plunger that's going to pop down as you remove the chip detector and seal it off so that you don't end up with all of the oil pouring out the bottom if it functions correctly. They do fail, and it does make a mess. And there you go, that's with the chip detector out. The poppet valve has popped down and sealed it. So, taking the filler plug off. And then just pumping oil into this hole until it starts dribbling out the neck. Sort of like filling, I don't know if you ever had I had a standard transmission on my 88 Ford Ranger that was literally how you knew that it was full of fluid, is you squirted it in the side until the fluid ran out the filler hole. And that was it. And it was actually using ATF. It was a Mazda transmission, and it was kind of interesting how they used ATF as the fluid, automatic transmission fluid. Alright, well, we just ran into air, so we're going to refill. Alright, it's running over, so go ahead and put the plug back in. Tighten her down, and we're done.